Are you ready to transform your English skills? Welcome to Grade 6 English on LearnersGain. This course is your key to powerful reading, writing, and speaking. We'll explore advanced reading skills to decode authors' true meanings. You will learn to make inferences, identify themes, and find evidence. Understanding symbolism and determining authors' purpose will become second nature. Building a strong vocabulary is essential. Context clues will help you decode tricky words. Understanding connotation and denotation will enrich your language use. You'll explore figurative language, like metaphors and idioms. Next, let's dive into writing. You'll master creating strong paragraphs with clear topic sentences. Learn to craft engaging narrative writing filled with dialogue and description. You'll also write compare and contrast essays and persuasive pieces. For literary analysis, we'll introduce CEE, claim, evidence, explanation. This method boosts your ability to explain ideas clearly. Worried about grammar? No problem. We'll cover verb tenses, phrases, and sentence structures together. These skills will lead to clear and interesting writing. Research skills are crucial too. You'll learn to evaluate sources and paraphrase information correctly. Throughout the course, you will practice what you learn. Engage in examples, writing tasks, quizzes, and home practice. Remember, improvement comes from effort and review. By the end, you will read with clarity and communicate confidently. How exciting to discover the power of your words. Get your notebook ready and let's start this journey together. Explore more lessons on our website at you.learnersgain.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Join us every day at LearnersGain. Learning made fun and rewarding. See you in class.